Welcome! In front of me I have a HUAWEI Band 10 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this smart band by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your smart band, make sure that the battery level on it is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your smart band. Now let's continue with the reset. So if you want to reset your smart band via the phone application, your smart band needs to be paired with a phone via the HUAWEI Health application, and once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the HUAWEI Health, tap on devices icon. Here you should see your HUAWEI Band 10 on the list of devices. You can tap on it to select it, then you can scroll down and find the option Restore Factory Settings, tap on it, tap on Restore, and wait. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.